Students, today we are going to learn string or word, how in Visual Basic we can make pattern for them, or how we can make a pattern from a word, from a string. For learning those, we need to learn one function, one inbuilt function, that is mid function. But before learning mid function, let me teach another function, that is left function and right function. If you understand these two functions, then automatically you will be able to understand, or you will know the importance of mid function. So what the left function does, let's see. In Visual Basic we have three inbuilt functions, that is left function, right function and mid function. What the left does, now left function extract leftmost characters from the word, from a word. Suppose the word is computer and we have written 4, it means from the left side it will find out the fourth number of character or 4 number of character, and it will give as output as I have shown you here. Fine. So how the syntax of the left function is, now at first you have to specify the string from where you want to extract. Thereafter you need to write the length, that is how many character you want to extract. For example, the word is computer and I wrote 4. It means out of computer, out of this word, out of this entire word, 4 leftmost character will be extracted, that is computer. Hope all of you understood this. I will show you in practical also, but let's see first right function. So what does the right function? What does right function? What it does? Now it extracts the rightmost character from a string. Here you can see the syntax. Right is the function, string as well as length. It is as simple as left function, students. So here I made a mistake, so it has to be right. As Visual Basic is not case sensitive, you write it in capital or small, does not matter. So I wrote here right computer. Now how many character I want to extract? 4 character. So it will count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. But when it print from the left side, that is UTER. Understood, students? Let me explain again. Suppose I am giving here 5. Okay, so it will count from right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. This is the 5 number of character it found from the right side. But when it will print on screen, it will print from the left side, students. That is what the right function. So let me show you the example of these two functions at first in Visual Basic editor. Thereafter we can come to mid function. So let's go to the Visual Basic editor. So in this editor I kept here one word to be entered, that is label. I kept it ready. This is text field. I made it blank. Okay. Then output the button. Now let's double click on the output and write the coding. So as we have to enter a word, so we have to take theme. Suppose any string variable, that is S1 or S. Fine. str, you can take also str as string. So we have to take here a string variable, students. Fine. String variable that can hold word or sentence. Now what we have to do? We have to bring the leftmost character from the string. So let me take out the string. Let me bring the data from the text field to string. So how can I write? Val of text 1 dot text. We used to write like this before. But does the val function is required here, students? No, because this is string. Text box, whatever content you are going to write in a text box, that is string. And the variable what you have taken, that also string. So no need to convert. No need of conversion. So no need of writing val function here. Totally unnecessary. Fine, students. It will show you error again. Okay, let's continue. Now I want to print the string, the function name is left bracket again from str, and how many character I want to print from str? 3 character I want to print. So this is how my statement is. Str text1 the text, it means whatever text I entered in the text field, that will go to the str variable. And what the str variable, from str variable how many character we are extracting? 3 character, that is from left side. This is the syntax. Let's see how the result is coming. I wrote here computer, and as I wrote here 3, so check the output is what? COM. Obviously 1 2 3. Hope you understood. Now let's try with write, students. So how can we write? How can we specify write? We can write one more print statement, RIGST write, that is str. Str is nothing but the string itself, because the variable we have taken here str, so the same str variable we are using here. Here str we wrote, same variable we are using here. Now from the right I want to print 4 characters. Clear, students? Let's check. Now here I am writing the word as science. So what it is printing for science, you check. As left is mentioned at first, so 3 character it is printing. Thereafter 4 character it is printing from the right side, 1 2 3 4. So when it prints from the left side, that is ENCE. Hope all of you understood the concept of left function and right function. If you don't understand this concept, students, then it will be very much difficult for understanding the concept of mid function. Okay, the concept of mid function. Now let me explain the concept of mid function. The mid function can extract any character, any word, or any number of character from a string. Fine, students. So let's go directly any. In left, only left characters. In right function, only the right characters. And mid function can find out from left, can find out from right, can find out from middle also. Clear? So now let's see the example. You will understand more nicely. Here also I made mistake, typing mistake, students. So just write mid, 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 and it is not case sensitive. You write capital, write small, does not matter. So what the syntax is saying, mid, then string. String is the like the word from where you want to take out the characters. Then starting point, from where you want to take out. Then length. Starting point we have to specify for what? Now from where we want to extract. And the length is what? Now how many characters we want to extract. Now you try to understand this concept here. Here the word is computer. I wrote 2. 2 means who is 2? This is 1, this is 2. O is the second point. O is the second number character. Fine. Thereafter I wrote 4. So 4 character from there. From here it will go 4 number of character. That is OMPU. Understood the concept? Let me say again. First I wrote 2. 2 in the sense it will go to the second number character. Fine. Thereafter I wrote 4. So 4 means what? It will start counting from the second character, the character where you leave it previously. 1 2 3 4. So all 4 character it will print. The output is OMPU. Fine, students. Okay, let's take suppose different example. I am writing here SCIENCE, science, and I wrote here 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 and 2. 2 is what? 1 2 C. Then 2, another 2. So C is 1 and I is. So what will be the output? CI. Okay. Hope all of you understood the concept of mid as well. So in my next video, I will do program based on pattern. Okay.